MPs, Parochial and Nita Garvey, colleagues, members of the press, viewers, good morning. I just want to spend a few minutes to look at some of our experiences out in Western Jamaica since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, and how these situations are being made worse by lack of resources. And I'm going to be starting, ladies and gentlemen, not with roads, but I'm going to start with the most vulnerable amongst us. And therefore, I'll be starting at the infirmaries. Now, Melissa wreaked havoc indeed on a number of our infirmaries and poor relief departments. And the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation Infirmary and Poor Relief Department were indeed not spared the wrath of Melissa. The same can be said about St. Elizabeth. The same can be said about Trelawney. The same can be said about my neighboring parish of Hanover. And even though it was clear, and it's still clear, that our poor relief department was completely destroyed. I mean, the buildings flattened. And our infirmary also suffered extensive damage to the laundry, to the kitchen, and to the meal ward. Despite all of this, the meager subventions that we normally got remain the same, or for some months were even less. Just to show you that for the infirmary, on a monthly basis, we require anywhere between $14 to $16 million to fund this facility. But yet, we receive anywhere between $8 to $9 million from the Ministry of Local Government per month for this. So this is leaving us with a shortfall of anywhere between $8 to $9 million on a monthly basis. Now, our residents need to be fed. Bills need to be paid. Staff salaries need to be paid. So this shortfall must come from somewhere. Where is it coming from? Own source. The minister speaks about us having 20 up to 20 revenue streams, own source revenue streams. I've been checking, and I can't find 20 realistic, consistent own source revenue streams in the system. Because for one, our market would have been a source of revenue, yes, even though we still had to be subsidizing activities there.